On August 2nd, 2025, parts of eastern Australia were hit by an unexpected and intense snowstorm, shocking locals and travelers alike. The snowfall centered on the northern tablelands of New South Wales, affecting towns such as Armidale, Guyra, Glen Innes, and Walsha, regions not commonly associated with deep winter conditions.
What is that?
Is that snow?
Sonny! 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 Oh, Sonny! What is going on? Oh, buddy. It's cold.
First time I've ever come up the pinch and it's been this bad. Might not be going to work tomorrow, I don't think. Just getting started.
In Armidale, a regional city nearly 1,000 meters above sea level, heavy snow-blanketed roads and buildings with over 50 millimeter of snow recorded in a matter of hours. This is one of the most significant snowfalls in the area in decades. Local authorities described it as a once-in-a-generation winter event for this part of Australia.
Look at the school balls.
My God. Emergency services responded to over 100 stranded vehicles along the New England highway, where drivers were caught in blizzard-like conditions and near-zero visibility. Black ice and falling snow made travel nearly impossible, causing traffic chaos and widespread road closures. While snowfalls occasionally touch Australia's alpine regions, such intense accumulation in northern New South Wales is extremely rare, especially in August, which is typically late winter in the southern hemisphere. Meteorologists pointed to a strong Antarctic cold front sweeping across the east, bringing frigid air and widespread instability. Meanwhile, coastal parts of New South Wales, including Tamworth, Scone, and Coffs Harbour, faced torrential rains and flash flooding on the same day, compounding the emergency. Over 28 flood warnings were issued statewide, and more than 100 SES personnel were deployed to assist with rescues and evacuations.
Look at the school balls.
This dramatic weather event highlights the growing unpredictability of climate patterns in Australia, where snow, flood, and wind can all arrive within the same day. For many, this storm will be remembered as one of the most surprising and disruptive days of 2025.
Take a look at this. It's currently 2 p.m. in the afternoon here at Armidale, New South Wales. Look at the snow. It's pretty thick actually. Not here but there. Yeah, say hi to Snowman.